Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is National Braid Day, so I wanted to recreate a look that I saw that Adrienne Houghton from The Real had posted on her Instagram a while back. As soon as I saw this picture, I was immediately obsessed and knew that I wanted to recreate it. So to celebrate National Braid Day, I'm going to share with you guys literally how easy it was to recreate this look. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nia, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below along with the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. But if you guys are interested in seeing literally how easy it was to recreate this look, then please keep watching.
Start off by parting your hair, and I decided to part it a little bit off to the side, and then I'm going to brush through my hair because in Adrienne's picture she had a low ponytail. To cover the hair tie, take a little piece of hair and then wrap it around your ponytail, and then take a bobby pin and pin it in the back. Now we are going to start our fishtail braid, and you want to part your ponytail down the center and take a little bit of hair on the outer side and fold it over to put it on the inside of the other side of hair, if that makes sense. Then do the same thing on the opposite side, and you're just going to go back and forth by taking hair from the outside, folding it over to put it on the inside. It does get a bit challenging trying to do this on your own hair, but just take your time. Once you get about halfway down the ponytail, now it's a lot easier to just put the ponytail over to the side and continue the fishtail braid. You don't want to go all the way down to the bottom. You do want to leave a bit of hair out and then use another hair tie to keep the braid in place. Now just scrunch out and pull the braid so it's a little bit messy.
See, I told you guys how easy it was to recreate this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If any of you guys decide to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would absolutely love to see how your hairstyle turned out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.